Been meaning to do this for a while. Here we go. Basic knot tying. The best way to secure your line is by putting a little fire on the end of it. If it's nylon, it'll seal it, and then it'll never come unraveled because the most powerful line is braided. You want a high tensile strength line, that's the way to go. All right, first knot. To avoid any kind of confusion, we're going to talk about these lines. This is the bitter end or working end. This is the dead end. Remember that so we can avoid confusion in the future. We're going to go over lots of knots. There's a lot of them. They're really useful. And believe it or not, they can make your life easier, maybe even save it. So the first knot is a square knot. It's done very easily. With the working end or bitter end, you go right over left, loop it through, left over right, loop it through. It should look like that. Now this knot's neat because you can use it to join two different sizes of rope, and it maintains 90% of the tensile strength after a load is put on it. Thank you, that is all.